Good morning to everybody. April 18th, 34 degrees out, a little bit of snow. Thought spring was here, but I guess not. We are going to pick up our 2 wethers today, and tomorrow we'll pick up a doe. It's gonna be a good day.
This one likes me a lot. This one's my best friend.
So if you follow us on Instagram, you know that we just got Nigerian Dwarf Goat kids. These are the 3 we got so far. We have Cupcake, the white one, who's our doe. She's about 7 weeks. And we have Milo, the black one, and Buddy, the tan one. They're both about 6 weeks. They're pretty playful right now, and they're loving it. We're starting to wean Cupcake off the bottle, but these 2 dudes are still soaking it up. Nova, she thinks she's a goat. She wants to be a goat. She wants goat things. She's not a goat, but we'll let her play. Right, Nova? So, the girls are loving it. Kylie eventually wants to show Cupcake at 4-H, and we are getting a buck in May. I think May, something soon. So, we'll probably have to do another shelter. I don't know. They're interrupting. The whole goal of this is we were going to separate this whole thing, but I think with Cupcake that we're going to breed her, we're not going to separate it. This is going to be the doe house eventually, and we'll make a little birthing station in here. Yes, Buddy. Yes, I know, it's lunchtime. They are hungry. They're wondering where their bottle is right now, but I'm doing a video. I'm sure they don't appreciate that. These 2 guys are wethers. They're just for fun, and when we only have 1 buck and 1 doe, we can't put them together, so we really had to do something. We didn't feel like getting 2 bucks. We could have got 1 wether, 1 more doe, but it's just how it worked out. What are you doing, bud? Go, send it. Do we need a GoPro mounted on Milo? Yeah, it looks like it. You waving? Oh! You just want attention. Oh! Oh! What are you guys doing? Buddy. You gonna fight over it or what? This is insane. The stairs, bud. She's trying to fight him for this thing. Eesh. Girl, are you gonna beat us up or what? Eesh. This dude's twisting me all up right now. Oh my gosh. Milo, here, get it together. Here, bud, take it. I'm gonna give it to your sister. Make sure you drop down below, hit that subscribe button. We provide new content every Friday. See you next time on Break Free Homestead.